As you can see, my espresso machine is acting up. Water spilling out through the hot water spout. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that and get your machine back in order. Alright, make sure you disconnect the machine from power. Then you need to remove the lid. Take the water tank off, unscrew the 2 screws and carefully lift off the lid. So this here is the water pump. It pushes the water through this hose into the heating element. From there, the heated water is directed to the coffee maker's brewing head. Then the water flows into this valve, and this valve is critical. This is actually the reason why my spout is leaking water when I'm brewing coffee. When you pull down that lever, the water is going to exit through the spout, and if you pull it back up, then the water is going to exit through the brewing head. So to fix it, start by removing the lever switch. Once that's out of the way, you can take the valve out by unscrewing the screws and pull this whole thing up. Next, you need to carefully lift up this electrical switch. You don't have to disconnect anything, and then you have access to the hose. So you remove this entry hose, the one that's feeding water into the spout, and don't forget to take the O-ring out. You will need it later. The spare part doesn't come with an O-ring. Then remove the clamp. You need pliers to do this, or maybe a special tool, but simple pliers will do. To install the replacement parts, you basically go backwards. So I'm using a 1/4 to 5/8 inch hose clamp from Home Depot, which cost me less than $2. Connect the hose that goes to the spout first, then connect the intake hose. Again, don't forget the O-ring, and then you can screw the whole valve assembly back in place. Then you put the electrical switch back on, push the lever back in, and put the lid back on. Then we'll test it out so everything works fine. And as you can see, that fixed the issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIY tips. See you next time.